Leo's on police patrol. And Lucy is driving a big red truck. Dad's on his way home. Watch out, Lucy. Change lanes. Oh no, Dad's spinning out of control. Police Officer Leo's on the chase. Lucy, slow down. You should drive carefully. Green for go. Uh-oh, careful, Leo. Phew, it's only a game. Now, where were we? Come on, Leo. We've got to stop her. Are you going up the ramp? Wow, you did it! You're in trouble now, Lucy. Police Officer Leo isn't happy with you. What are you writing? Oh, you've got a traffic violation. That's what happens when you drive too fast. Yikes! Lightning has started a fire. What do we need? Firefighter to the rescue! Quick, Lucy, move away from the flames. Stay away, you fiery flames! Firefighter Leo's gonna stop you. Oh no, you're burnt! Who can come to help? Any ideas, Lucy? That's right! We need a paramedic! Ambulance is on its way! Magic spray will help! You've had a lot of jobs today! Oh, we're gonna build? Watch out! Leo! Yeah, good as new! Huh? Leo isn't allowed in the castle? Looks like he'll play with his ship instead. Wow, a big black ship! Yay! Let's decorate a castle! Princess Lucy! Do you only want pink color for your castle? Pretty pink princess palace! Time to decorate your ship, Leo! A welcome mat? You're Blackbeard! What's it gonna be? Wow, a pirate mat! Where are you gonna put it?
My playhouse is better than yours! No, my playhouse is better!
It's challenge time! Yeah, magical rainbow castle! First point to Lucy. It's okay. Stick it back up. I think Leo wants a point too. Is that a sail? Good idea. Wind too. All aboard. Ahoy, Pirate Leo.
My playhouse is taller.
Careful, Lucy. Not too much magic. Oh no, it's too tall. It's gonna topple.
Help me!
Leo, quick! Pull her aboard.
Thank you for saving me.
What's up? Oh no! Watch out!
Meow! Oh, my sheep!
Oh, Leo, don't cry. Lucy's got a plan. Wow-wee! Look, Leo!
Now it's yours, Leo! Let's sail the ship together!
I'll come too! Wow, super cool sports car, Leo! Did you win? Yeah, Leo's #1! Oh, looks like Lucy doesn't agree. Aw, that's cheating! Wow, Lucy's so pretty in pink! What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they love the color too! Leo, Lucy doesn't like black. What's your idea, Lucy? What are we gonna color? All done! Jump in, Leo! Ready! Pink versus black car challenge! Lucy's leading! But not for long! Uh-oh! Watch out, Lucy! Oh no! Black paint! Uh-oh! Lucy's angry now! Looks like it's payback time! Pink paint cloud attack! And the winner is…
You crossed the finish line together!
Yeah, you're both winners! Black and pink together! Wow, look! A pizza-making machine! Which one's your favorite, Leo? Oh no! We need help! Lucy, quick! Leo's hand is stuck! Phew! Thanks, Lucy! What's this? Is it pink versus chocolate pizza? Challenge time! Ready, set, go! Find the right ingredients for the pizza dough. That's correct, Lucy. Flour, eggs, sugar. Lucy's good at this game. Mix it all up. Ta-da! Pizza dough. Your turn, Leo. Huh? Lemon? Don't cry, Leo. Mistakes happen. Ah, Lucy has a plan. Look, Leo. Lucy's sharing hers with you. Now, what shape shall we have? Star, huh? Nice choice, Leo. What about you, Lucy? Ah, you're choosing circle. Huh? You've done your shape, Leo. Oh, you want the same as Lucy. What will we do next? Pick your sauces, kids. Oh, I like pink too. Chocolate. And more chocolate. Blue, green, red. Lucy's is a rainbow pizza. No, Leo, not on the walls. Okay, kids, pizza toppings time. Looks like Lucy's making a fruit pizza. Oops, they need to be in pieces first. Leo, be nice. Lucy's been helping you today. Let's see what this button does. Oh, try the pineapple again, Lucy. Slice, cut, and chop. Leo's choosing a candy-covered pizza. Uh-oh, they all mixed together. Leo, watch how Lucy does it. orange ready for launch. Slice and stick. Wow, a juicy, fruity, colorful pizza. You try, Leo. Yippee! A sweet, sugary candy pizza. What are you thinking? Strawberries too? Ready for launch. Yeah, the final touch. Let's try them. That's right. Sharing is caring. Save some for me. Which letter's missing, kids? That's right. Letter Z. Oh no, don't fight! Ah, Magic Z starts the alphabet challenge. Watch out, the floor is lava. Follow the letter path to zebra. What's our first letter, Lucy?
A for apple.
Jump on to start. Your turn, Leo. What's the next one?
B for ball.
Bounce onto the ball.
C for corn.
Crunchy corn.
D for donut.
Oh, my favorite.
E for egg. F for flower. G for grape.
Yeah, groovy grapes.
No! H for helicopter.
Hop in, Lucy. Here we go. Leo, Lucy's flying high. Quick, what's next?
I for island.
Uh-oh, watch out. Ready for the next one, Lucy?
J for Jad.
Oh, Lucy's racing to win this challenge. Okay, Leo, think carefully.
K for kite.
Hold on. Behind you, Lucy. Oh no, crash landing. Are you okay?
L for lemon.
Get ready to pick, Leo.
M for melon.
Oh no, you've flown past it.
N for nut.
Phew.
O for orange.
How fruity.
P for pumpkin. Q for quilt. R for rainbow.
Come on, Leo. Run over the rainbow way up high.
S for strawberries.
Lucy, look. Leo, play nicely.
T for tree.
Whoa, that's a tall tree. Now you're up high.
U for umbrella.
Jump and catch it. Who's gonna get V?
V for volcano.
Oh, Leo, I think vase would have been better.
W for wagon.
Where's Lucy? Phew, just in time. Well done, Leo. How will we get over the volcano? Yeah, a plan. Quick, Lucy, jump in too. Hold on tight, kids. Yikes, You've blocked the volcano. It's rumbling. Eruption! Whoa! Oops! You've flown too far. Where are you gonna land? Come on, kids. Here's the next one.
X for xylophone.
Jump on and run across. Oh, what are you making? Wow, a yarn lasso. Yippee, you made it! Together, that's teamwork. What's our last letter, kids?
Z for zebra.
A to Z, yeah!